What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Discord server. Now I'm on mobile, but this works for PC as well. So once you have your server opened on the Discord app, you're going to hit the little three dots right next to your server name. And then from here, it's going to take you to a menu where you could go to your server settings. It's the icon on the top toolbar there all the way to the right, the little gear. Once you're in settings, the first option down under overview, you're just going to hit that. And then once you've hit that, you're going to have a bunch of different options for your server, mostly just overview settings. But if you scroll all the way down, there actually is an option to delete the server. Now, if this is an active server, I would recommend just transferring the ownership. But if it's just a random server that you messed around on, you could just delete it like this. It's also going to ask you a reason why you're deleting it. It doesn't really matter what you say for this. They just use that to collect data, so I would just be honest. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you have any questions or you were confused at all, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.